Eric Kinsner on the left. Declan Waters returning for his second stint with the club. Their main man up top at 2024, Ropapa Mensah, returning to the Wolves' Den for the first time. Rodrigo Albuquerque is the man with the whistle, and he will get things underway. The Colombian, 34 years of age, slotting it up top next to Ropapa Mensah. Here comes Chattanooga for the first time. Promising opportunity for Ramos! Kisses the post. Testing the back line for the visitors early. One touch out of his feet, a second fired low. Rankenberg didn't get a touch to it. '21st minute from Chattanooga. And a chance for the Red Wolves now at speed. A promising run for Vasquez! Nobody pressing him. Continues to just take his space. They've got eyes for goal, though. Hernandez will go for goal! And it is a good stop in the end by Rankenberg. Doing everything he can to preserve the clean sheet. It's an awkward. And that will do it for the first 45. Scoreless between Greenville and Chattanooga with the Red Wolves. Yet somehow works himself free every time. There's a poor giveaway. Vasquez onto it! Zaire Vasquez breaks the deadlock. An uncharacteristic mistake at the back from Greenville. Chattanooga knocking on the door all night long and have burst through it. See where the goal was, but it wouldn't have counted anyways. Marsh. Siobhan Marsh now into the box, trying to equalize it. And Jason Smith will fall on it. Referee says no. Al Hassan went down. Instead, the other way with Fricky. Pokes it into the path of Velasquez. Is there to be drama here? Velasquez has a lot of space. After a cup set in the midweek, Scott McKenzie guides his side to 3 points on home soil.